God, boys. Huh? Yeah. Alright, boys, so I kicked the camera on because we ran into a fellow here. We're gonna meet up with Caesar. We're going to hit the highway and get some riding in. Into a little biker buddy on the way. Them all the boys out this morning. Feels so good out this morning. I'm no doubt people are outside today. Wow, interesting. We running into all the boys this morning, fellas. We're gonna have all the demons outside. Oh, fuck. Bro, you always text me you're leaving, bro. I'm sitting there like a sped in my garage, bro. Right, I ran into like two bikers.
Coming this way or that way?
One coming this way, one going the other way. Bro, because of how wide this angle is, I can't even mount the GoPro like that no more. Like all the way like against the helmet. Yeah. It has to face like down for me. Like you see how it's facing down? Wow, you listened.
What?
The 32. I seen the sun and I'm like, bro, if this motherfucker has a 16.
Look at the time. It was supposed to be 7.
Bro, it's black outside. Alright, boys, I'm gonna kick the camera on when we get back on the road. So we're gonna be taking a little ride with the ZX-10. Hopefully we run into some people on the road, but we're gonna go try to find, you know, the most windies that we can find here in Florida. So I will catch y'all in a little bit. Peace. Alright, get in front of me. What gear do you hit this in? Damn. Is this better this way or the other way? I gotta look at my chicken strips. Bro. Oh yeah. Getting there. Come look at this. Yeah, they are, but look. You can see the line of where I was before and where I went now. I gotta get lower though. Look, see this line? That's where I was at. And now look. Look. You see how oily it is? Because the rubber's new. Yeah. Damn, bro. Let me see your shit. I ain't gonna lie, you be moving on that bitch. This you? Damn, bro, I gotta get lower. Is it better? It's better this way. Nah, I like it better this way. What gear? You hit it in second? First. This man got all the engine braking. You could probably hit it faster in second because you won't engine brake as much. Bro, I could just stay here all day. Yeah, like going this way, I gotta hit it in like third to feel good. I don't like it this way though. Yeah, it's so much better the other way. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, we be moving around those turns. Fuck, bro. Why don't we have more roads like that? This man said I can't reach the floor, bro. What the fuck? Whose man's is this? For all you riders out there, W tip. If you're gonna go on a road you haven't been on before, Eddie, make sure that the first time you go on this road, you ride it one way to make sure that you're not gonna get clapped instead of just blind hitting it. Okay. What the fuck? Yo, what is wrong with this kid? This man goes against all the rules. Oh, fuck. This man goes against all the rules of the game, bro. What the fuck is this dude doing, bro? So, yo, don't blind hit it. This man takes off. Can't make these things up. Guys, ride inside your limits. Don't have friends like this. Yo, if we're gonna hit it, though, we gotta hit it in dip, because there's people walking all over the place over here. Bro, you know what I like about that road? If there's nobody on it, every turn you could sweep the lane, like get into the other lane. Where Fredo at now? Oh my god, bro. Talk about bad timing. How are we both not recording? Oh my god, bro. I was going 78. Boys, I didn't have the camera recording, but some dude told us to hit it, and we blew past this cop going like 80 miles an hour, and I didn't even see him in the median, so it was just way too late. And by the time we passed him, we're like, yo. Damn, I wish I was recording that for y'all. That was hilarious. Red lights are for NPCs, bro, I swear. This is crazy. Bro, I hate those things. Oh my. Bro, you lose all traction on these things. Oh shit. Is that a... Yo, bro. This man's... How are you gonna jump that? Oh. Yeah, well, we should probably go the other way because there's a cop right here. Yeah, about that? Yeah, we'll be back another day, Sears. Wrong way, bro. Look at this shit. What the fuck is this man doing, bro? This man is going the whole wrong way. Can I hit this? We out. This man, I gave him 19 GoPro batteries and he didn't bring any. Alright, y'all. It's a little windy where I'm at right now, but this is where I'm probably going to end off this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Had a little bit of Sunday morning fun. The rest of my Sunday is going to consist of me editing these freaking videos. And I have a bunch of 360 footage I got to go through and edit and stuff, so that's going to be the next 8 hours for me. So wish me luck. If y'all ride safe, be easy, keep the shiny side up. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Actually, don't listen to that, because you shouldn't. I do a lot of bad things, so don't do anything I do. But I love y'all. Thanks for watching the video. Shout out to the kids ZX10Cs for coming out for the ride this morning. We gonna eliminate these chicken strips. His new tires will be here soon, so we're gonna be doing a lot of nasty roads like that in the future. But yeah, enjoy y'all Sunday. I'm gonna try to have this video up by this afternoon. If not, you'll see it go upload and live Monday. I love y'all. Peace, love, positivity, and as always, gang, don't erase yourself. Say bye. Gang! Later, y'all. Peace!
Cartier Ranger, drip on my fingers. She got them lips like a banger. Wanna be famous? I took you out of the basement, put you in danger. I put that heat on your face.